nandito tayo sa ano ba to? Salamanca to watch some. What are we going to watch?
Fireworks!
What are we going to watch?
Fireworks!
What are we going to watch?
We're watching fireworks.
Ah, galing ah. And we're with the family. And it's summertime, but it's a joke time. It's still cold. Oh, diba? Ayan. So, makikita nyo ang mga tanawin like this. Some food over there. Dito tayo sa mga yate. Napakaraming yate.
Where's this feet? That's the ever again.
Yan. So last time meron Rolex competition from Sydney going to Hobart. Nagsisale lang sila. Grabe, napakagaling naman nila. Oh. Ayan, nandito na po tayo kay Kuya. Ay, ganda ng yate nila. Hello, Kuya. Hello po. Kamusta po? Ay, Kuya.
Ayun, sikapin mo na.
You can go in the front.
Come on. Doon ka.
You want some? You can go in the front if you want.
It's not gonna run. No.
Salamat kabayan. Salamat po. Kabayan, ano kayo rito? Pare Lawrence, ano biya? Nakit ka! Ay baba!
Kaya?
Oo. Kagabi, niyaya nila sa bahay nila. Kaya kapakating talaga na kahit na maraming kaibigan dito. Na-recognize na ako nung punta namin dito. Bungal pa rin yung ngipin ko.
Ano nung last time? Careful na po ako dito sa Hobart. Tapos sila po mismo.
Kabayan, baba ka rito.
Opo, sige po mamaya po. Susan sila.
Okay, say Happy New Year. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Nice.
Vlog po tayo. Ayan. Naka-live si Kuya.
Oh, naka-live tayo.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Kikita nila alas 9 na ng gabi rito. Pero maliwanag pa.
Kasi alam ko na. Kasi apat sila nandun si Kuya Fred siya. Si Ellie. Wait lang po.
Happy New Year, son.
Happy New Year!
Dito ako sa taas. Ano, Keisha? Come here. Okay. Hello, ayan. Nandito kami sa Antipodes daw. Ang pangalan ng yate. So, may na-meet na sailor ang aming mga friends dito at pinasakay niya kami sa kanilang yate. So, isa sa sailor pero ang bait ng kanilang kapitan or may-ari ng yate na to kasi nandito kami ngayon. Oh, tingnan mo. So, yan ang kanyang steering wheel. Charot. Ano kaya to? Hindi ko alam kung para saan to eh. Tapos meron din siya sa loob. Ayan, mamaya na lang tayo papasok sa loob kasi madami ding tao. Ganda. At At manonood po kami ng fireworks dito. Mukhang maganda yung view.
Two hours later.
Salamat po sa pagpunta sa birthday ko. Ayan, salamat po sa pagpunta sa debut ko. Okay. Ayan, at ang oras dito ay 11 o'clock. At ito po ang tama picture. Ay, sige, damdamalangan. Ayan, so meron po tayong potluck. Chicken in the soup, barbecue, e-gathers, pinakbe, sisig, kanin, spaghetti. Wow. Blue team. White team and red team. Okay.
Dapat yung fireworks damdama.
No, anything. Ambo. Right where? Ambo.
Ayun, ganun.
Matig basta dahil saklang nga basta.
Diet. Next time na tayo mag-diet.
I'm doing it now.
Thanks, no, okay, now one of the many things that Melbourne is famous for is theatre scene, whether it's musicals or drama production, and there's no doubt the stage has come in 2024 and obviously the training.
I do have to give a shout out to the ballet, the Australian Ballet, it's home here in Melbourne, and also I absolutely love seeing Melbourne theatre companies in my career knock myself out. Absolutely love it. Well done everybody involved. It's wonderful to see you here in Melbourne. We're so fortunate here.
And it's also been a big year for music, musical artists too, and make them surprised. I am a lover of musicals. This year my favourite's Groundhog Day. Absolutely loved it, and Elvis Presley is brilliant. And let's go to our Evie Jones at the Shrine for her highlight this year. Evie.
Hi again! My highlights this year, I mean, just so many, but I have to say, Sister Act with the beautiful Kirsty Duncan, finally in her first leading role, absolutely.
Happy New Year, guys. We made it.
Whatever mood you're in.
Shembot.
Party animals.
40.
It's very cool. I like it.
Countdown tayo.
Oh,
Ayan na. Tayo na. Ayan na. Happy New Year.
I haven't showered for years. I haven't eaten for a year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Oh, sikat tinakainom ah. Baliktad. Thank you for having us here. Happy New Year, Precious. Son. Happy New Year, Son.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hindi ako makano sa...
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, pre. We made it.
Ay, it's, huwag kang nagagawa.